start your sourdough starter. So first thing you need to do is get a glass jar or bowl. I'm using a mason jar because that's the easiest thing for me to put in my refrigerator. I made sure it was good and clean before I start my sourdough in it. I ran it through the dishwasher and I hand washed it. I have my measuring cup because we need 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of water. I have my bread mixer, and then I have my flour, and it has to be unbleached flour. So you can't use the bleached flour for sourdough. It has to be unbleached. And I already have my 1 cup of water ready to go. So you need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour. And then once you're done, you're gonna cover it with a tea towel for 24 hours. So first thing that I'm gonna do is get my 1 cup of flour out. Okay. So here's my 1 cup of flour. I'm gonna put it in my mason jar. And the only thing about using this mason jar is it's a little bit hard to pour the flour in without it getting off to the sides. So a bowl would probably be better, but I don't have a lot of room in my refrigerator, so it's easier for me just to do my sourdough starters in my mason jars. Okay, so there's my 1 cup of flour in my jar. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of warm water. So it's pretty easy to start with, 1 cup and 1 cup. And then I'm going to mix it. So I have my water in there. And now I'm going to mix it. And it's looking pretty good. I see that I've got it all combined. I'm gonna scrape this off. You don't want to mix it too much, just enough to where the water and the flour are combined together. Okay, now I'm done with that. So then my next step would be to take my tea towel and I'm gonna cover it at room temperature for 24 hours. So just like this. I'm putting my towel over it, and sometimes I put a rubber band over it just to make sure the towel doesn't get knocked off. But it's going to sit and wait for 24 hours, and then tomorrow at this time, I will feed the starter again with some more flour and water combined. What I have today, if you would like, is a free guide for your sourdough, and it tells you 10 beginner sourdough secrets.